In this video, I am going to show you how to remove System.io affiliate badge. So here I am on a funnel, and here you see System.io's affiliate badge. So I'm going to go into my System.io's, and this is the sales funnel that I just showed you. So what I want to do is click on Edit Page. You go to Settings, then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. Display an affiliate badge to earn affiliate commissions. If you want to remove that, then you see the tick right here. You want to untick it, and automatically you see it disappeared right to the right. So you want to save. Then I'm going to go back to the sales funnels. I reloaded the page and you notice that it has gone. And that's it. That's how you remove System.io affiliate badge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button. Until next time, see you on the next side.